Hello everyone, welcome back again to another Advent of Cyber video. My name is Michael and this is Cyber Hub, where I talk and learn about cybersecurity and IT related topics. In today's video, we are doing the day 5 task, and this is about reverse engineering. And I have completed this task already, but I will review along with you what I did and how I get the answers. So you will notice that in the questions and answer later on, it's pretty much straightforward. So our learning objectives for today is we'll learn about legacy system, which in this case we're using MS-DOS or a disk operating system. And we will learn some basic Windows command prompt commands. As you know, MS-DOS is terminal based and there is no graphical user interface or GUI for us to use. And lastly, we'll learn about file signatures and magic bytes and how it is significant in data recovery and the file system analysis. So to give you a little bit of background about MS-DOS, MS-DOS is a disk operating system. It was introduced by Microsoft in 1981, and it's one of the first operating systems for IBM compatible PCs back in the day. It primarily used a command line interface for users to interact to and navigate. And we'll also, look at some of the commands later on in this video. However, even in today's generations of operating system, we can still see remnants of the MS-DOS through the command prompt and PowerShell, because it still uses the same commands up to this day. So we are going to start this machine. Let me just start it. It will be a split screen here. And we are given, just in case we are not logged in automatically, they give us an administrator password here. And while we're waiting for the machine to initialize, we'll talk about the cheat sheet. So this is the common commands that we are using to navigate and kind of open files through the command prompt. So it's pretty much straightforward. These are like short names. Like this one, CD means change directory, dir means to list the directories inside, and type means to display a contents of a text file. CLS means clear screen, and help will kind of shows the help commands, so it will show all the commands available for you, and it kind of explain what it does also. And edit, so like let's say you open a text file and you want to edit, instead of using type where you can just view the file, you can use edit to kind of edit your text file within the MS-DOS editor. So once this is up, we are going to do some command practice, like your CLS, clear screen, or dir to list directories. We use some type to open a text, and also change directory to kind of navigate through the available directories for us. All right, so we are here in the system. So from here on, you can't use mouse, so everything will be keyboard. So just hit enter. This says to type in CLS to clear the screen, so it will be black here, and type dir to kind of see what directories we have. So it looks like we have dev, games, notes, tc, tools, and 2 files of AC 2023 and a plan.txt. So it says here, try to open the plan.txt, and then we can read through these I believe this is the README left by whoever wrote this. I think Sklipsky McBlue. It kind of shows the what to do here on the task later on. So we can just clear these, and we can go in. So we go back to dir to kind of see where it is, where we at, and then we can change directory to notes, and then we'll go look at what's inside. So it looks like we have two files, business and recruit. Okay, and then next we'll type in help to kind of show what commands available for us. So there's more command here than the examples earlier. So we have copy, you can copy files. You can display the date using date, delete to remove files, echo to kind of display message through, echoing, exit to exit the command shells, MD to make directory, it means make directory, prompt to change the command prompt here, RD means remove directory, rename directory or file. And this was just pretty much straightforward. This volume, version, and so on. Okay, so task want us to open to restore the AC 2023.bak file. BAK means a backup file found in root directory. So root directory is C. So we can just do C ... to go back to C, and this is our root directory because of the // here. Okay, and then they want us to navigate to tools and backup. So change directory, C tools and backup. There we go, and we go to directory. And I believe we are using the BU Master EXE, which is the an application inside this computer to kind of run the backup file. So that's what they want us to do. So BU Master EXE, and then so from here we just type in the path of that backup file, and then we hit enter, and it says that the file could not be read, and there's an error in the file signature. All right, so from here we are going to read the readme.txt. So to kind of see what are we working on. So we go down here at the troubleshooting message. So it says that if we encounter an issue during our backup process, make sure we check the file bytes in question. The first byte, it needs to have a file signature, fig signature of 4143, or I believe AC. This is the this is like a hexadecimal value of AC. So I believe if we do this, hold on. Oops. So if we go back to the what you call it, tools plan.txt. So this is basically the same thing as what it's saying on the README. So 4143 means this AC in AXI file or AXI name. So it's saying that it's most likely corrupted. All right. So we go CLS, go back to where we at. So it says here that we need to edit the program. So we need to launch Alt F. Oh, this is another way to open the README. So if you don't want the screen earlier, you can use edit, and then you can use your arrow keys to kind of go through and edit some of the stuff here if you want. All right, then we just go Alt F and Alt X. All right, to exit out. All right, now we are going to look at file signatures. So file signatures is referred to as magic bytes. So to put it simply, it's the file or the bytes that your computer will read first to know what type of file it is. So let's say here, if the file format is PNG, then behind the binary behind your file will start here with this 8950 4E47, or a ASCII equivalent of it, the ASCII character equivalent for it. So let's say if it's a GIF file you're trying to open, the first line or the first number will contain these. So your computer knows what kind of file you're running. So if you want to open it, so if GIF, you trying to open it on like a Windows media player or something, a video player, it won't run because it's not the correct magic bytes, right? Okay, so now what we're trying to do now is to fix that backup file. So I believe that we need to open the backup file, we need to have 4143 as our first magic bytes, or AC or AC as a ASCII character. So now we have to go navigate to the C. So C/dev and hello. Oops. All right, and then we go directory to kind of see what's in there. Oh, we're still on the backup. Never mind. So I forgot to put CD in here. All right, and there. So hello C. I think they want us to. So before we fix the file, they want us to navigate through this C example. It's like a C program. So for us to open the C program, we need to run TC, in short for the C compiler, and then we just open the file through that one. So like right here, there's some lines of C code in here, and then they want us to use Alt C and build all. So this will be we're compiling it to a DOS executable. All right, okay. So now it is, instead of a C, it will become hello.exe because we compiled it. So if we exit it out here, or Alt X, there we go, and we go back to dir directory. Now we have file hello.exe. All right. So we can open it through edit hello.c or .exe, and then here we can edit some stuff. So if you look at here on this example also, so mz is an executable, MS-DOS executable. So your computer knows that to put .exe in there to be executed through MS-DOS. So that's how the file signature are. So if you're trying to do malware, or not malware, but file analysis, or you're trying to do some recovery, you have to check what kind of file you're trying to recover. And there's a lot of tools now that kind of help like right here, we can't really understand what it is, but there's some tools now that you kind of compile it in a way that you can read properly. And there's, you know, some of them are color coded, or there's already like a note there that says that, oh, okay, this is the file signature, and so on. But since we're using MS-DOS, we are, you know, we're doing the old school way. All right, so it's just kind of showing us what are we doing on the next task here. So we can just exit this out. Exit. All right, and then we can just clear out the screen. So it says now that we have to open the 2023.BAK. So we can open it from here. So edit, C, AC 2023 back. Then we'll kind of open here. So it says here that the file, or the file signature, is XX. So if you remember what we read through the README, if the file signature is not 4143 or AC, then it's not going to be compatible. So we need to change this file signature to AC in order for the backup master to open it. So I guess from here we can just, so it says here there's a way you can online, a way you can transcribe, or you can convert ASCII or hex to text. And it says here 4143 to ASCII is AC, but XX is, I have it right here, XX means 5858. So that's a wrong file type or file signature. All right, going back here, so they want us to replace XX to AC. So you go back up and kind of delete this, and then we put AC. So if you put a lowercase, that's gonna be a different file type. So if we go back to our ASCII hex here, so if we put AC lowercase, that's gonna be 6163. So this is so you need to make sure that you're putting the correct character which in this case it's uppercase, to get the hex 4143. All right, and then we can just save this. So Alt F, Alt S. Okay, and then we can just exit this out. And then from here we can just go back to you can just go back to root and clear the screen, and then we can go to the, I believe it's backup. No. Tools, backup, and then viewmaster exe C. We're trying to run the backup file since we changed it to AC. So since we did change it, it should run now successfully. So we restored the backup file, and we are presented with our flag for today. I already put it in, but I'm just gonna go through the answer here. So it's asking how large in bytes is the AC 2023.BAK file. So from here we just go, or we can just go see that. All right, so we go to the root, and then we go to directory, and then you can read so you find AC 2023 and it's bytes, is 12,704 bytes, and that's what you put in here. And the next question is, what is the name of the backup program? I believe it's backup 3000. So we can open, so we can do type plan.txt. Oops, plan.txt. Okay, so the name of the file is backup master 3000, and then you put that in there. And then what should the correct bytes be in the backups file? So the file signature, the correct file signature is 4143. So that's what we put in here. And since we got the flag, we put in the flag here. I believe you can't copy paste, so you have to you just have to type it in manually. Right here I typed it in manually. That is it for today. If you haven't used MS-DOS, I mean, I haven't used it for a while. When I was in elementary, we used MS-DOS, and that was way back in the Philippines, and way back in the day. But it's good to know this legacy OS, because you wouldn't know when are you gonna run into it in your lifetime. But so it's kind of good to know, and at the same time it kind of teach us how to be proficient in doing terminal and doing command line interface. If you're used to using GUI, there is another way to do this task through GUI. But what is the advantage of the command line interface is it's much faster, and it's much more powerful, because you can do one task just by doing one command, rather than typing or rather than clicking through buttons through GUI. So yeah, it says here that it's reverse engineering, but it feels like they teach us more about navigating through terminal file system, like recoveries and stuff. So that is a good task for today. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video again, and please like and subscribe to my channel. I have more videos to come. I'll see you guys then. All right, thank you.